Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add a video to your Canva presentation step by step. Super easy and works great for class, business, or YouTube slides. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open Canva and log into your account. Then open an existing presentation or create a new one. Step 2. On the left-hand panel, click Uploads. Then click Upload Files and choose the video file from your computer. Step 3. Once uploaded, drag the video onto the slide where you want it. You can resize or reposition it as needed. Step 4. Click on the video to access the toolbar. You can trim the video, adjust volume, or even set it to autoplay during your presentation. Bonus tip: use Canva animations to make your video appear smoothly. Add a frame around the video to match your design style. And that's how you insert a video into your Canva presentation. Super quick and easy. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more tutorials. See you next time!